Recast. The term recast has multiple meanings in the English language, depending on the context in which it is used. Here, we will explore the two most common meanings of recast. 1. Recast as a verb. When recast is used as a verb, it means to rephrase or reformulate something in a different way, often with the intention of clarifying or improving its meaning. This can be applied to various forms of communication, such as sentences, phrases, questions, or even entire texts. By recasting a statement, you are essentially expressing the same idea but using different words or sentence structures. Examples: original sentence, "He is a very talented musician." Recast sentence, "He possesses great musical talent." Original question, "What did you do yesterday?" Recast question, "How did you spend your day yesterday?" Original phrase, "She is as strong as an ox." Recast phrase, "She has the strength of a bull." Recasting can be especially useful when trying to simplify complex ideas or when trying to make information more accessible to different audiences. It allows for greater clarity and understanding of the original message. 2. Recast as a noun. As a noun, recast refers to a new version or interpretation of a literary work, play, movie, or television show. It signifies when a role or character is portrayed by a different actor or actress than in a previous version. This can happen in the case of remakes, adaptations, or sequels. Examples: in the recast of the classic play, Romeo and Juliet, the lead roles were played by different actors, bringing a fresh perspective to the story. The popular TV series was recast after the first season, leading to mixed reactions from the audience. In the context of entertainment, a recast can sometimes bring new life to a production or introduce a new dynamic to the storyline. Overall, the term recast can be used as a verb to express the act of rephrasing or reformulating something, and as a noun to denote a new version or interpretation of a literary work or performance.